Hey everyone, here's a quick tip to get your concealer to stay all day long. So we already know that concealer creases, it's a problem. So here's what we're going to do. Prep your skin, apply your foundation. Do not apply eye cream. Leave the eye cream out. Nothing under the eyes apart from your primer and or sunscreen. Now get a setting spray and spray a brush. 2 spritz, that's all you need. And now press this underneath the eye area where you want to apply the concealer. Now, one more spritz. Now dip this directly into whatever concealer you're going to be using. So I'm going to use this one here. And now I'm going to place this where I want the coverage. So for me, it's this inner corner here. Press it onto the skin. And then I like to use my finger to seal it in and blend it. Lovely. You know what the drill. Next, a little spritz again. Now go over this section that you've just applied the concealer, but be really careful here, because if you oversaturate it, the concealer will start to move and that defeats the purpose. Now you'll know it's starting to work because you'll feel that kind of stickiness that happens with these kind of products. It just has a tacky kind of feel to it. Take a tissue and very lightly press it underneath the eye. This is to draw out any excess oils and pigments that are here. And what I like to do before we finish is I like to apply a shade lighter of concealer just at the inner corners of the eye. Just brightens up that inner corner nicely. Now we need to set it very gently. Now take a small amount of loose or pressed powder and just tap this over the concealer. You notice the brush I'm using is very small. There's a reason for that. We don't want too much powder. Now spritz that same powder brush with 1 spritz of the setting spray and just go over it. There you have it. That's the technique. Now it's actually 2.5 hours later here in the day. And as you can see, it's not moved. It's still exactly where it is. This technique works if you do it exactly right. But remember, do not oversaturate the under eye area. For this technique, you really want less is more. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.